told y'all a couple of weeks ago, I was watching something or reading something or saw something, I don't know. But I remember thinking, is there a difference? I forgot what triggered it, child. But I remember thinking, does it really make a difference if you have a CA, SA versus if you have just order online? Like if you're one of the people that just goes to LouisVution.com and order online. And you know, I found out some things. I really did. Spoiler alert. It matters. Let me explain. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. Now, I did a little research. By research, I mean I did a little shopping. It's research, okay? It was pertinent to the mission at hand, okay? So I wanted a canvas business holder. I already have an on-front leather business holder. I wanted a canvas one because on an everyday basis, when you're packing a handbag full of canvas, you had this one little lonely on-front leather piece. I was like, they don't even go together. They don't go together. So I wanted it. So, child, what was I doing? Oh, I was ordering my new key ball. I was ordering my new key ball, and I was going to order the canvas business card holder, and I was like, this is the perfect thing to do a little experiment, right? Because I wasn't in a rush to get it, but I wanted it. Okay. So I ended up just ordering the key ball, and I went on the website to order the business card holder. Chill. It said 4 weeks. 4. Wait, how many? 4 right there. 4. I clutched my pearls. I said, squeeze me? 4? I know they ain't talking to me. I know they ain't talking to me. Right? So I logged on. Because you know how you could just look and search and browse without actually logging into your account. Right? So I was like, let me sign in so they can know who I am. Girl, I signed in, they still said 4 weeks. I said, I don't know who they think they fooling with. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, okay? I said, let me call customer service. Darn technology, don't know who. I don't know why I thought I was a Diana Ross moment. I don't know. I don't know. I was just in one of them moods. I don't know. Don't ask me, okay? But I thought I was Diana Ross. Let me call into customer service, okay? So I called into customer service. I was like, hello. I would like to order a business card holder. And then she gave the same little disclaimer that was online. Well, you know, it's a hot item. She didn't say hot item, but pretty much a very sought after item. And hard to get, so you gotta wait till one come in and all this other stuff. Can't guarantee me one, blah blah blah. So I was like, listen ma'am, I spent a lot of money. No, I didn't say that, but I did ask her. I said, well, because of, you know, I'm a Beyonce customer, you know. I said, because of that, does it, you know, guarantee or at least provide me with the option to have it shipped sooner? So she was like, well, yes, of course, let me look into it. Okay. I was like, all right, thank you. You know, and I'm going to call Diana Ross after this call and let her know I appreciate your service. I'm going to call Pharrell and let him know I appreciate. Girl, she came back on the phone. She said, yes, of course. We really appreciate you being a very important client. We'll try to get it shipped out in 2 weeks. I almost called that lady a name. I really did. She ain't do nothing. It ain't her fault. But I was like, so really? Now, understand that I do understand that this is first world problems, okay? Like, but when I have had a CA that shipped me things overnight or at the latest 3 days, that 2 weeks sound kind of funny. It sound kind of fugazi. So I was like, okay, I appreciate it. All right. So I say that to say, right, having a CA will definitely put you on the priority list. I'm gonna say that. It's gonna definitely put you on because never in my over a decade of shopping at Louis Vuitton did I have to wait 4 weeks or 2 weeks to get something shipped to me. And now, before obviously I spent enough money to become what they consider a VIC customer, you would have a CA. So the difference between a CA and an SA, right? A sales associate and a client advisor. A sales associate is for customers who spend under a certain bracket. I don't know how to say that without, sounding like Rihanna, my cousin. I'm trying not to be pretentious, right? But I'm just trying to explain it the best I can. So don't be judging me. But SAs are for customers who don't spend a certain amount of money per year, right? So they help everybody. I don't know how to say that. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Alright? Don't be putting pressure on me to be politically correct. Alright? Or polite. Alright? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Those essays are the ones that if you're on Instagram, an essay is showing something, you can DM them and ask them to buy, right? A client advisor is a associate that have a list or a clientele that they cater to, right? That if you need a hard to get piece, if you need a piece that's limited edition, if you need to pre-order something that they consider that's going to sell out or be a hot ticket item, they're going to prioritize you above the rest of the general population. I hope that didn't sound too much, okay? But that's the truth. That is the truth. And listen, if it makes you feel any better, Louis Vuitton is the only luxury fashion house that I'm considered a VIC because I don't give nobody else that much money. It's the truth. It's the truth. So, I did this experiment one more time. Okay? I did it one more time because the business card holder, it is a hot commodity. It is very decently priced for luxury. It's very decently priced. It's a very good entry point type of luxury piece for Louis Vuitton. So I was like, I'm gonna give this one more go. And y'all remember the Pacific Chill? What is it? Somebody come get me. The Pacific Chill fragrance that my SA, well, one of these unboxings, she sent me the sample size and I liked it, so I ordered it. Now again, I didn't want to order through her because I wanted to see how long it takes. If I didn't call nobody this time, I really didn't. My inner Diana Ross was off duty. I didn't call this time. I really didn't. I promise. I just went on the website and I ordered. That was 5 days ago. Ask me, is my box here? Well, you know it's not because I'll be unboxing it for you. It ain't here. It ain't here. Now, UPS said they're going to try to bring it today. But, it ain't here. That was 5 days ago. Now, if I would have went through my CA, she would have overnighted it to me. I would have had it the next day. I'm just saying. So, in all seriousness, this is my honest to God true thought about having a CA versus having an SA / just ordering online. If you are a Louis Vuitton lover or a luxury handbag collector, or you're just, you know, obsessed in a normal way, okay, normal way. Y'all know what I mean by normal. Like, don't be taking mortgage payments out to buy a bag, obsessed. I mean normal. I've been going off on these tangents, child. But listen, if that's your category, then yes, having a CA, ordering through the CA, your CA is better. And it's not like if you fall under that category, you probably already got a CA, right? So you probably don't need this message. You're probably like, girl, I know. That's why I got one. Okay. I'm just saying, don't go back. It's not worth it. But if you are the type of customer that, you know, every once in a while you'll see a bag that you like from the new collection, or you're just at your own pace whenever you feel like it, whenever you want to drop some extra coins or splurge, you want to just collect the classics, don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. You can go on Instagram. A lot of essays are on Instagram that are like promoting what they have in store. You can DM them for purchase, or, you know, like I said, go on the website. It may take you some time. It may take you some time. When I say time though, listen, when I say time, I mean like a week, maybe 2, depending on what you order, and maybe 4. But again, like, what a problem ain't no problem, kind of. Girl, I'm trying to make it sound better. Listen, I'm just impatient. I'm just impatient. If I'm spending a certain amount of money, a large amount of money, I want it tomorrow. I want it tomorrow. Because I want my money back in my hands. Which means I want the product that I spent a lot of money for in my hand. And I'm just excited to see whatever I bought. So listen, that could be just a personal preference. I could be just spoiled because I ain't used to waiting that long. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Listen, you cut that up and paste that back together how you so see fit. Oh, and let me tell you this, if I haven't already say so. You know the new policy with the Neverfulls? Like, you cannot just walk in, grab one off the shelf, or grab one in the back and buy. You have to be put on a wait list. CA. Have CA. Because I text my CA, I was like, listen, I'm not saying I want another Neverfull, but if I did, how long I gotta wait? She was like, girl, I wouldn't even pay that no attention for you. I was like, okay, girl. Virtual high five. So my point is, if you have a CA, I don't think you're gonna have to be on a wait list too long. I think it's gonna be like, hey girl, I want a Neverfull. Okay girl. Like, I think it's gonna be the same situation. Versus if you don't have a dedicated CA, or if you go online, or if you just walk into a boutique and, you know, just try to order one and be put on a wait list, like, you gonna wait on that list. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my, I guess, research results. Now listen, now everything I said was true. I was about to say take it with a grain of salt, but everything I said is true. But again, you have to apply it to your situation and how you shop or how you feel about Louis Vuitton. You know what I'm saying? Because what I got from Chanel, I think I got like some glasses, 2 pairs of sneakers, a wallet. Like, I'm not a huge Chanel shopper. You know what I mean? Like, so I wouldn't expect Chanel to prioritize me over people that spend hundreds of thousands of dollars with them. Right? Same thing with Fendi, Well, no, Gucci better recognize me. I spend good okay, but like Fendi, Chanel, Givenchy, like I wouldn't expect them. I don't know if their system worked the same way as LV because I don't shop there enough. But if it did, I wouldn't expect them to prioritize me over their clients that do shop with them on a more regular basis. So don't take it personal. I mean, it's part of the luxury game life. So, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me on the daily. I am on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!